In this video, we're going to see a new feature available in AutoBid SheetMetal 2019. It's called Calculating the SIP Details. You can see it here under our options in the pull-down pick list. Now, SIP is short for Short Interval Planning. By calculating the project this way, we're able to go back into Takeoff and box in various different areas and get detailed information. That information includes material dollars, material items, shop labor, field labor, and many other different breakdowns. Now, the SIP details do take a little longer to calculate than standard calculations. But once it's complete, we can now launch Takeoff. Now, in this particular project, I'm going to filter to just one system to make it clearer on the screen of what we're looking at. So I've gone to galvanized medium pressure supply. And I want to take a look at this ductwork that's inside the mechanical room here. So using the boxing with options, I'm going to drag a box around that ductwork that's in the mechanical room. And once the box is complete, we get our pop-up window and we have a new radio button, Show SIP Details. We also have the option of excluding or including the items that pass through the box. So I'm using the wall of the mechanical room as the border. Now in the Summary tab, we can see we've got a simple breakdown into duct, fittings, connectors, and it gives us feet and count, and then it gives us material dollars. It also gives us total labor hours. Now in the Details tab, we get a very detailed breakdown into categories, item names, subcategories, materials. We get a list of sizes and quantity. We get area and weight, material dollars, field hours, handling, and shop time. Now as I scroll through this list, you'll see it does categorize them into different areas and items like connectors, hangers, other. Right, there's our sealer. It even reports the duct accessories. So in this case, we got a rectangular fire damper, access doors, and other items. Now we can control what's viewed in this columns by turning on and off these different options of toggles. So if I don't want to see area, and initially I did turn off the labor breakdowns, so I'm going to turn the labor breakdowns back on in a second, but we do have weight shown. Now we can also export this out to Excel. I've created an Excel file already, but you would just create it on the fly. Now it's launching Excel, and we get all that same information, that same grid that you had just set up. Export it out to Excel. Now you have all the functionality of Excel to edit, create formulas, create reports, whatever you might need for this area. Now this is the Short Interval Planning tool, now available in AutoBid SheetMetal 2019.